Have you ever lost something that meant the world to you? A home, a job, or maybe a dream? When it was gone, did it feel like your life had stopped? But sometimes a loss is not the end. It's life pushing you to move forward, to grow, to find something greater. Today's story will teach you that lesson through the simple life of a fisherman named Taro. Stay until the end, and let's learn this beautiful truth together in slow and easy English. Taro lived in a small seaside village surrounded by green hills and calm waters. He was young, kind, and quiet. Every morning, before the sun rose, he walked down to the lake with a smile on his face. There, waiting for him, was his most precious thing, a small wooden boat. It was old, but to Taro, it was perfect. His father had built it with his own hands before he passed away. Every nail, every plank of wood carried a memory. Taro would gently push the boat into the water and begin his day. The lake was calm, like a mirror. He would hum softly while throwing his fishing net. Sometimes he caught many fish, sometimes only a few. But he was always thankful. He loved his simple life. He thought it would always stay this way, peaceful, safe, and unchanging. But life has its own tides, and tides, like time, never stop moving. One night, dark clouds gathered over the hills. The wind howled. The trees bent low. Taro ran outside and saw his boat rocking wildly against the dock. He tried to tie it down, but the waves grew stronger, louder, heavier. The storm hit with fury. Lightning flashed, thunder roared, rain fell in heavy sheets. Taro could only watch as his small boat broke loose and disappeared into the darkness. When the morning came, the lake was quiet again. But his boat was gone. Only a few broken planks floated near the shore. Taro stood there, speechless. It felt like his heart had been torn apart. That boat was more than wood and nails. It was his connection to his father, to his peace, to his life. He sat by the water for hours. He did not fish that day or the day after. "Why did this happen to me?" he whispered. "I worked hard. I hurt no one. Why did the sea take what I loved most?" Days passed. The villagers told him, "You can build a new boat." But Taro only shook his head. He felt too tired, too broken. Then one afternoon, while walking along the beach, he saw an old man bending over the sand. The man was picking up pieces of driftwood, the kind of wood washed up after storms. "What are you doing?" Taro asked quietly. The man smiled. "The sea took many things last night," he said, "but it also gave us these. Look closer." Taro looked. Some pieces were strong, smooth, and beautiful. The man said, "Sometimes the sea destroys, but sometimes it delivers." Something stirred in Taro's heart. He asked, "Can this wood be used again?" The man nodded. "Of course, let me show you." So Taro began to help the man. He learned how to clean the wood, how to sand it, how to shape it into strong boards. Day by day, he worked. His hands hurt, his back ached, but slowly, his sadness began to fade. Each plank he cut was like a small step back to hope. After many weeks, the new boat was ready. It was bigger than the old one. It was stronger, steadier, made from the wood that had survived the storm. And this time, Taro built it himself. When he pushed it into the water, the boat floated proudly, shining in the morning sun. Taro stepped inside and took the oars. The waves were calm again, but he was different now. He was not the same boy who lost his boat. He was a man who had learned to rebuild. He looked up at the wide sky and whispered, "If the storm had never come, I would still be holding on to what was small. Now I can go further. Thank you, sea. Sometimes life takes away what we think we cannot live without. But maybe it's not trying to break us. Maybe it's trying to open new doors. When your storm comes, remember Taro. Don't stop. Don't give up. Keep building. Keep sailing." If this story touched your heart, write in the comments what storm you have faced and how you found your strength again. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more slow English stories that guide your heart and your learning.